Hi, and welcome to Math Shorts with Nancy. Today, we will explore tense frames, what they are, and how they can be used for addition. Ten frames can be very powerful tools when trying to help students visualize the concept of numbers. Ten frames are formed in sections of 5, which is also very beneficial because counting by fives is one of the first numbers students learn to skip count by. 10 frames are used as a scaffold or visual aid for students to understand quantities to 10. They are often used for addition and subtraction up to 10 and 20. 10 frames are also used to help students visualize quantities to 10. They help students recognize concepts such as 6 is 1 more than 5, and 10 is 2 fives. When looking at 10 frames, students can see the quantity that is missing, the white space in these examples, which lead to the concept of adding to 10. Adding can be modeled using different color markers to show the two numbers that are being added together. This 10 frame shows adding 5 plus 1, which equals 6. Students should recognize the 5 and the 1 from previously working with 10 frames to identify quantities. Double tens frames come along when students are working with sums to 20. Here is an example of using a double 10 frame to add within 20. This model visualizes what is known to the student, the 12 and the 3, to a sum that was perhaps unknown to them, the 15. There are many activities you can do with tens frames. For gross motor movement, you can create a large 10 frame on the floor using painter's tape and favorite stuffed animals, dolls, trucks, sand toys, you name it. Give a quantity that you want your child to show and have them fill in the tens frames with the number of objects. You can get 10 whole ice cube trays, create a 10 frame from craft sticks, or draw 10 frames on paper and use small objects such as pom-poms, popcorn, candies, mini erasers, or bingo daubers, and have your child do a similar activity to the one just mentioned. You can make games with filled in 10 frames on index cards and quantities on a separate set of cards, and have your child match the 10 frame to the quantity. Or you can flip all of the cards over and play memory. Here are some resources that have activities and worksheets to practice skills using 10 frames. Thanks for watching.